What I'm saying is that Mirabel should bring back the video she just deleted, so you understand the cross of what I am saying. From what she did, you will not link it up with what Calistut said 2 or 3 days ago. You will begin to understand what I'm telling you. Now, you have to check the series of videos she did in Abuja. I brought her to Abuja. I gave her a series of instructions. This is not a making peace. There's nothing like peace. It's something about process. This thing, our case, we still go on. Our case will still go on. I don't have right to stop her case. But what I'm saying is that trying to jeopardize what we are doing because of our longer throats, because of blackmailing people that her children is here, nobody is giving them food. Today is Saturday. She never went to market and she never went to the police. She always remind me that she closed her shop to come here. I did not tell her to come. She came to get to her justice. Like you do video was just a ploy for her to get sympathy, for people to give her more money. And the money of Lokidu is not coming. She is not going to the market again. So now what she wants to do is to trample on my own integrity, which I cannot allow Mirabel to be doing a malicious videos and be propagating lies, twisting events that has happened.
For Mirabel, Ogechi Mirabel, no apology. Mukulu. The person that have those children is still alive. Okanondo. Page here. Kanji nyelu aka. Talk and lie. Because I never thought. I lied. I compromised. I compromise. Do you know why I compromise? Not that I don't know what I'm doing. But I compromise out of Ogechi stubbornness. Yes, I said it. Now your own case. I compromise.
Eine Koalition der flämisch-nationalistischen NVA seit den Parlamentswahlen am 9. Juni stärkste Kraft mit der neuerdings rechtspopulistischen
out of Ogechi stubbornness, that is why I compromise on your case.
sowie Vorreut in flämisch-Sozialdemokraten in einer ziemlich rechtslastigen Koalition.
I swear to God, I will not source on your case, Mirabel. I swear with my life. I swear with everything I have. I will not source on your case. Ogechi, yeah, even here in Germany, even in Nigeria, carry that video, give it to human rights. Blue video, blue the video, gossip the human rights, and that's how they will take those children from you because you are the one that is spoiling your children. Because people are trying to carry you along. Crocodile tears. Go away, just home. Oh, you put away you on which level? On the person that don't call me, please. The person that have those children is still alive. Okanondo. I go off my phone. The one was I want your phone. Only believer, only woman there cannot do up to today. Let him go and hustle and feed his children. can you be giving Ogechi followers information? You are the reason why Ogechi ran away when they wanted to capture her. You want to build information, you don't do Ogechi. The information you dish out, even Kalistu is talking about the information you dish out. So I was it. Oh, Papa, just the work of me. No. If you not come here, I will block. You see, See. If you not come here, I go block any blockable. I go block any blocker. You know, say sometimes anime sometimes anime say one man do self. Kamalu nke na eme. For Mirabel, Ogechi Mirabel no apology. Mukulu. If Ogechi so the Mirabel any apology or so whatever, come out and say it. Come out and debate me. I want to know which apology Ogechi is holding Mirabel. Before Ogechi brought out Mirabel's already online because she shared it to mommy and daddy. I will meet the water. Shouldn't we the water here? Gonna mail one or two. I will meet the water. I'm the men's. Am I stupid? That is why I can deal with any of you on this movie industry. Because you have nothing against me. Only if you when you walk there. You cannot be coming online collecting from people. If they are not giving you, we start fighting them. What is wrong with you? You can't do that rubbish. If una wasale go anya chapam pam in water I will go you Nigerian not Ramadan. Because a woman, there is no woman that can be like you. Look at the guy eye you are opening. Only when you just your husband is still alive. You know, widow. Widow, where are you a widow? What? Which lawyer or judge can judge your matter? Which lawyer? Now, somebody come and say, if you get Mirabel's nude, share. How did Ogechi get it? Anything that is coming out on social media, people will see it. Okay, she saw media, so she saw it. She saw it on social media. You can come online, start blackmailing people, destroying people behind, and they put in a shock. You know, big crocodile tears. Alana one. Send me that on. I go show for this my page here. Send me that on. Make I show the world they can waiting I see. Nothing where they come and say anything where people be do. They go see it on social media. Anything where anybody do they show for social media. All these bingos say they come. Oh, you wanna follow my block one go? If I will block you, get out. All of you should get out from here. All of you should get out. Make sure no go to. Let that begin. Before we need to it's the way it goes on. ji wee meka na-eme ka na agụ na-agụ ụmụ onwe onye mụrụ nwa. But you came to my platform challenging me that even behind me you are telling people I'm hearing everything you are saying, telling people that I'm a
Außerdem könnten diese Aufgaben an die KI abgeben, die sie eigentlich selber lösen sollten.
Etu anya godo, etu anya mmadu kwesịrị edo, etu anya godo, etu nwa anyị ji ụmụasị kwesịrị edo, etu aga anya kwesịrị edo. Ọ maka na ya ekwu okwu. Otu na agbo do this rubbish. Don't you know that you're a dustbin? People are calling you, telling you, if it's only for your case is dead on arrival. Because nobody can judge it. Nobody. Send the God send Jana WhatsApp. Came on my age. I will not only show it to people, I will share it to people.